So our scenario for our part one is taking place in a small elementary school in Rexburg, Idaho, where the majority of the population is predominantly LDS. And today the teacher will be teaching about different cultures and religions, and the students will be making presentations about their families to the entire class.
And so the teaching objectives for that comes out of the Common Core standards for social studies, and one of them was share stories, pictures, and music of one's own personal life, family, and culture. So that's what the students will be doing during the lesson.
The problem will occur in a school setting when the teacher has been teaching the students about families. And when she talks about families, she'll be having them draw a picture of their family and presenting them to the class. And there could be a student or a couple students with gay or lesbian parents. And the problem would occur when an LDS student will say, that's not a family, you have to have a mom and a dad, and you can't have two moms or you can't have two dads. So our lesson plan is going to teach about how a family is anybody that loves you and cares about you and that you live with. And we're going to base our lesson around that scenario.
Yeah.